Previously I recorded a video on how to create aliases using terminal, so it was that easy. Just type alias and then create alias name and then equal to whatever you command you want to create alias with that. Or so the problem with that was that those aliases were not permanent, so whenever you close that window, the terminal, those aliases deleted. So how you can create permanent aliases? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create custom aliases permanently. So let's get started. First we need to go to our home directory. So now here we have a file named .bash rc, so we need to edit that file and add our aliases, and that way we want to be permanent. So just use whatever editor you want. I'm going to use nano, so just type nano and then bash rc, hit enter. This will open that file. Now let's add some aliases and see how it is going to work or not. Use your arrows key to go down, and here as you can see I have some alias already added. So let's add another one. Let's say I want to just create alias for PHP server, PHP development server. So let's say the command I want to create is PHP start, and this will run PHP tag s and then the host, so .0.0. Let's say 1, and the port should be 9000. Now just control S to save this file, or control X, and it will ask you, do you want to save this file? Just say yes and hit enter. Now our custom alias has been created. So now let's close this window and reopen it, so we will see this is working or not. So let's go back to open another terminal, and let's say where I am. Let's go to desktop. Let's start a server here. So the command was php start, and just start this command and hit enter. As you can see, the PHP development server has been started with the port and the host that we provided there in the bash rc file. So that's how you can create permanent aliases that will make your life easy whenever you are developer or you are a server manager. This will help you make your work easy. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.